Introducing Jungle Magic Doodle Artz Seasons. These are suitable for kids between the ages of 5 years to 10 years. The package consists of 200% cotton pillow covers and 3 double-sided washable ink markers. Its dimensions are 27.5 by 7 by 18 cm and weighs 350 grams. The white pillow covers have seasonal elements printed on them. A kid can use the ink markers to doodle on the pillow. This pillow can then be washed to clean the ink and used to redoodle. It's a great activity for kids to reduce screen time and bring relaxation and develop ideation. Done before bedtime, it helps reduce the child's stress and prepare for a long peaceful sleep. This doodling is also a great way for children to use their hands and create what their minds are thinking. This activity will also improve their thinking skills while encouraging imagination. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.